Now children, our today's topic is an, on, in. On and in. Look and read. The girl is on the car. See, this is a car. On the car a girl is sitting. So means here you use on. The girl is on the car. The apple is in the basket. Here a basket is there and apple inside the basket. So here we use the preposition in. The apple is in the basket. The rabbit is on the chair. The rabbit is on the chair. See, this is chair and rabbit sitting on the chair. The dog is in the box. This is a box and dog is inside the box. So the dog is in the box. Where is dog? In the box. The tiger is in the den. The tiger is in the den. The things which are inside the things is called where you use in, and outside the or above the things here you use on. In and on. The cat is on the table. See, here table is there. The cat is on the table, sitting on the table. The girl is on the mat. This is a mat and girl is on the mat. Let's see here some more examples are there. On, in. Fill in the blanks with on or in. First one. The pencil is dash the box. See, here box is there and pencil is there. Now tell me children, where is pencil? Or on the box or in the box? It is in the box because pencil is inside the box. Next one is the egg is dash the ball. See, this is a ball and where is egg? Tell me children. The egg is inside the ball. So here we use the in. The egg is in the ball. Third one. The ball is dash the chair. Here chair is there and ball is there. Now tell me children, where is the ball? Yes, on the chair. The ball is on the chair. Fourth one, the mango is dash the table. Here table is there and mango is there. Yes, tell me children, where is mango? In the table or on the table? The mango is on the table. The rat is dash the net. Here net is there. Now tell me, this rat is outside the net or inside the net? It is inside the net. So here we use in. The rat is in the net. The hen is dash the net. Here also net is there, but where is hen? Hen is outside the net. So here on the net. The hen is on the net. The cat is dash the box. Here box is there and box is closed. So the cat is inside the box or outside the box? It is outside the box. So the cat is on the box. Children, do this exercise in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Next one is in front of or behind. In front of, behind. Look and read. See, one tree is there and monkey is there. The monkey is in front of the tree. Monkey is clearly seen. So, monkey is in front the tree. If monkey is not seen clearly, so then you tell behind the tree. See here. Tree is completely seen, but monkey is not completely seen. So, monkey is behind the tree. The monkey is behind the tree. In front of or behind. The monkey is in front of the tree. The monkey is behind the tree. In front of, behind. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with in front of or behind. See first picture. First see pictures. Rat is there. Behind the rat, who is there? Cat. cat is behind the rat, and rat is in front of the cat. Let's see. The cat is dash the rat. The cat is dash the rat. The cat is behind the rat. So here you write behind. Second one, the boy is dash the car. See here, full car is shown. Full car is seen, but the boy is not seen clearly. So car is in front and boy is behind. The boy is behind the car. The boy is behind the car. Behind the car. Next one. The car is dash the bus. The car is dash the bus. The car is here. Car is first and second bus. So in front of the bus. Here you write in front of the. The car is in front of the bus. Next one. The girl is dash the tree. See here, tree is completely seen, but the girl is not seen. So girl is behind the tree. Here behind. The girl is behind the tree. Next one. The girl is dash the car. See, the girl is completely seen, but car is not completely seen. So the girl is in front of the car. The girl is in front of the car. Next one. The man is dash the igloo. The man is dash the igloo. Here the man is clearly seen, but igloo is not clearly seen. This part of igloo is not seen. So here also the man is in front of the igloo. The man is in front of the igloo. Children, do this exercise in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.